welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan, and today I am going to show you how I made this really, it's backwards, this really beautiful macrame slash rope rainbow. I'm making this, well, I made it for my nursery. I've been really busy designing, decorating, all of the things for my nursery. I'm 35 weeks pregnant now, and I'm just kind of going crazy. I'm in nesting mode, as they say. Anyway, this was really simple to make and not very time consuming. All you need is a couple things from the local craft store and you can totally make this. So let me show you how I made this. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you're on for notifications. And also, if you make this, please leave me a comment. Tell me that you made it, and also tell me what colors you used, because I was really torn on the colors to use for this. It's a little retro. I love it, but I might make another one and use different colors. We'll see.
You'll need some rope or cotton cording. I used some that I found on Amazon. It's about 6 or 7 millimeters thick. Yarns in various colors. I bought 5 different colors, and you'll want to make sure that each one is about the same thickness. Some copper or brass wire and scissors to cut your yarn and your wire. Last but not least, some needle and thread. I wanted my rainbow to be pretty big, so I took a length of rope that would reflect that. But you can make this any size that you want. And then I took a length of my copper wire, about the length of my rope, a little bit longer, and I started wrapping it around my rope. Didn't wrap it around the entire thing, I wrapped it around about 2/3 of it, and I left some space on the ends so that I could have a fringe. And then once it was all wrapped up, I cut my excess wire and then I just shaped it into a little U. It doesn't need to be perfect. Then I started wrapping my yarn. I took a long length of the first color that I wanted to use, and I just wrapped until I completely covered all of the wire. And then I just kind of tucked my excess pieces on the ends underneath another piece of yarn and hid them. And then I just repeated these steps, making sure that I used a length of rope that fit inside of my previous length of rope. Once I had all my pieces for my rainbow, I started sewing them together, and as you can see, it was a little messy. I'm not a sewer, but it is the back of it and you won't see it, so not a big deal. I just wanted to make sure that all of the pieces were together and sat flush, and it worked out just fine. I added some little knots, just some simple overhand knots at the bottom. And then I unraveled my rope and I brushed it out, and that is pretty much it. It was ready to go and hang. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.